Hello everyone, welcome to Hashtag Network. In today's video, I will show you how to create a bar graph in Excel step by step. We will learn how to insert bar chart, customize it, and modify it when the data changed. So let's get started. First, let's enter the data that we will use for our bar chart. Here is an example of our data set. Once you enter the data, select entire range including the column headers and go to Insert tab and select the bar icon. Click here and select bar chart depending on your reference. So I will select this, and Excel will generate bar graph based on your data. Now we have a basic bar chart, but let's make it look better with some customization. So first I'm going to modify the title of the bar graph. So I will double click at the title and let's say sell report in January. So the title of the bar graph will be sell report in January. And now let's label the x-axis and y-axis. Click on the chart at the design tab, select the add chart element and go to the x title and select a primary horizontal for x-axis. So I will select and I'm going to change the name. I will call it a product category. And now let's label the y-axis. I will do the same. Go to the add chart element, x title and primary vertical for y-axis, and I will call it sell in USD. And now your bar graph looks better with details. I'm going to add more customization for changing the color. So if you want to change the color of the graph, go to the design and click on the color change, and you can select the color you want. The graph will change the color according to your selection. Now let's apply some design. There is a several design of the graph, so you will select the design you want, like this or this, and whatever design you want you can select, and the graph will change automatically. Okay, now I'm going to show you one of the best things about the Excel chart is that they update automatically when the data change. So let's try. Come at the phone and change 900 to 400, and you can see here at the phone, if I click enter, the graph will be changed automatically. At the phone, you will see that the bar at the phone decrease instantly from 900 to 400. And that is how you create and customize a bar graph in Excel. You learn how to enter data for the graph, insert bar chart, customize the graph with color, title and label, modify the chart when data change. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Hashtag Network for more Excel tutorial. See you in the next video.